I'm Fawn Patterson with Lincoln Electric, and today we're going to go over how to install a wire feeder on your M85. The one tool you're going to need is an M4 Allen key. You're going to remove these two screws here in the front. Notice it's connected to the handle. There's two in the back as well. Now you're going to need to hold on to these screws because they're also going to be the same screws that you use with the onboard feeder. This handle will slide right out, and these will slide right in. I usually like to put all four in before I tighten them down all the way. To plug in the wire feeder, you're going to plug it into the back of the weld head, and then you'll plug in your control cable at the back of the wire feeder. And that's it, it's installed. For more information, please go to lincolnelectric.com. Thank you.